Smart contracts. As one of the most hyped words being used by blockchain developers, it combines two simple concepts into one powerful idea. Ask any Ethereum enthusiast about smart contracts, and you'll get an excited answer. Some will say it is a computer protocol intended to digitally facilitate, verify, or enforce the negotiation or performance of a contract. Some will also say smart contracts allow the performance of credible transactions without third parties. The truth is that this technology will do all of those things. So what exactly is a smart contract? Let's break down the term and dive into a deeper understanding. Smart contracts help you exchange money, property, shares, or anything of value in a transparent, conflict-free way, while avoiding the services of a middleman. The best way to describe smart contracts is to compare the technology to a vending machine. Ordinarily, you would go to a lawyer or a notary, pay them, and wait while you get the document. With smart contracts, you simply drop a Bitcoin into the vending machine, i.e. ledger, and your escrow, driver's license, or whatever drops into your account. More so, smart contracts not only define the rules and penalties around an agreement in the same way that a traditional contract does, but also automatically enforce those obligations. How do smart contracts work? Smart contracts carry the potential to completely revolutionize nearly every aspect of finance, commerce, law. Consider two parties who agree to the terms of a transaction and create a smart contract to fulfill that transaction. The contract itself would live on a public blockchain that guarantees both its authenticity and its execution. Each party would use private cryptographic keys as a digital signature. Blockchain technology ensures the authenticity of the contract by copying it to a large number of computers on a network. Every device on that network acts as an automatic witness to the contract, much in the way a notary public works. By design, both smart contracts and blockchains cannot connect with the physical world. In more technical terms, they're not designed to access any data that is off-chain, not on the network. By bridging the gap, oracles play a crucial role and enable smart contracts to access off-chain and on-chain data. In technical terms, an oracle is a layer of solution that verifies queries and authenticates data sources external to the network. Once it does all the operations, it then relays that information back to the smart contract. The ability to access off-chain data also improves smart contracts' functionality. Oracles broaden the scope of smart contracts, making them essential for blockchain derivative contracts.